Today I'm going to show you how to replace the LED LCD in a 15.6 inch Acer Aspire. Little brother bought this about 8 months ago, and as you can see it has the French keyboard. It's a 5552. The most notable thing about this repair is there are only 2 screws in the bottom side of the screen. The rest is just clips, and I'll show you how to do all that. 15.6 inch screen. So you're going to need, I used a small flathead screwdriver or an X-Acto knife would work fine for peeling off the rubber, a star head screwdriver, and maybe a pair of pliers to catch the screws. So first you want to take the battery out from the back. Okay, so the next step, you want to peel the little covers on the 2 screws over on this side and that side. There you go, and they're just little adhesive stickers. You just stick it back onto the screen. Yeah, that's all it is. Just a little sticker. Now remove the screws. Okay, the next step is you want to go all the way around the bezel and just undo the clips. You just stick your nails underneath and lift. And you want to hear popping like that. The popping's a good noise. That means it's not breaking. There, and see how the hinge covers are actually part of the bezel cover? That thing that you heard was a piece of the laptop falling off. My brother must have dropped it, so I'm just going to glue that back on the edge here. Okay, so the next step, to remove 3 screws from each edge of the screen. And this is easily done. They give you enough room to get in there. This is where it helps to have a pair of pliers. One side. The screws are all the same size. You don't have to worry about mixing them up. Okay, next we have to take the screen off. Now, when you do this, you have to be careful because the wire for the mic and the camera is glued to the back of the screen. So as you pull it, you just do it slowly. You're just going to grab the wire and pinch it up against the back end, and it's a small little sticker. And one more time at the bottom. Let's see, that's it. Okay, so now the screen is separate from the bezel, and it's good to leave it at a bit of an angle so that when you take the screws out, the screen doesn't just fall off on its own. So this is the main signal cable, and it's held on with a big sticker. Find the edge. Move really slowly because you don't want to damage the cable. Just a square, clear sticker. Oh, see, that went too fast there. There you go. See, actually, I worked from both ends and then get the top afterwards. And once I've gotten the sticker off from all around, you want to peel this back end off of the screen and then it just pulls right out. There's no clips. It kind of pulls right out from the connector to the side, and the screen is free. Okay, so I've disconnected the screen. The only one cable connecting it. It's time to throw out the old and take in the new. Okay, so here's the new screen. I've set it down the same way, face down, so that the connector is presented to us. I'm going to leave on the original sticker that came with it. Just press it, I guess. Sticks back on. There's no clips, and that's it. Okay, now you can just set it back in, and now you're ready for the 6 screws to go back in. Notice how I left on the protective plastic that it came packaged in, and now I'm putting in the 6 screws, 3 on each side. It's going to take a bit of adjusting, and you don't have to tighten them very much. There's one side. Last one. Okay, we're ready to put on the front cover. I'll take that off now. Now this just snaps back on. Start from the top and just work your way around and just squeeze it. See, before I worry about it being tight, I'm just going to put those last 2 screws in, and I bet that'll just bring it all together. Before I put the plastic stickers back on, alright, so let's put the battery in and make sure it works. So this concludes replacing the LCD LED monitor on a 15.6-inch Acer Aspire.